why am I in a storage unit with a bunch of flat screen TVs and a few old TVs and odds and ends? Well, that's what I'm gonna kind of start showing you guys. This is kind of like my hobby, side projects, kind of like, I do get income from this, but basically it's salvaging what I can from TVs that people give away for free, and amongst other things. So TVs are fun, flat screens are cool, everybody loves TVs, and for some reason people give them away for free when there's like nothing wrong with them, or there's a little wrong with them. So if you can fix it and use it, why not? If you can take something that's junk and make money from it, do it. Plus it also does help the environment, and I'll get into that maybe some other time, but so that's what I'm doing. Check back in the future for more.